Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Is doing something alone easy or doing it as a team? Let's find out from our today's story, Power of the Team. Deep in the whispering woods where tall trees touched the clouds and rivers sang sweetly, lived a cheerful young elephant named Ellie. Ellie was strong, kind, and always ready to help others. But she had one little flaw. She thought she could do everything by herself. If anyone said, "Let's work together," Ellie would giggle and reply, "Why would I need help? I'm the biggest and the strongest animal in the jungle." The other animals liked her, but they often shook their heads and said, "Someday she'll learn." One bright morning, the jungle was buzzing with excitement. The Jungle Harmony Day was coming. Every year, all the animals celebrated this special day to show how beautifully they could live and work together. They built colorful stalls, made music, danced, and shared food. The most creative team would receive the Golden Leaf Trophy from the wise lion King Leo. Ellie's eyes sparkled. "This year," she said proudly, "I'll make the biggest and the best stall, all by myself." Her friends Timo the monkey, Pia the parrot, and Rufu the rabbit offered to help. "Let's decorate together," said Timo. "No need," Ellie trumpeted. "I can do everything alone. You'll just slow me down." And off she went, swaying her trunk confidently. At first, everything went smoothly. Ellie carried logs to build the stage, picked fruits for decoration, and even tied hanging vines for the banners. But soon, things started to go wrong. When she tried to lift a log, it rolled away and broke her fruit basket. When she tried to hang vines, her heavy trunk tore through them. When she backed up to move things around, she accidentally stepped on Rufu's flower basket. "Oh no," groaned Ellie. "Why isn't this working?" By afternoon, the jungle clearing was a mess. Broken decorations, crushed flowers, and scattered fruits. Ellie sat down sadly. "Maybe I'm not as capable as I thought." Just then, Pia flew down and said softly, "Ellie, we can still make it right, but only if we work together." Ellie hesitated for a moment, then smiled weakly. "All right, friends, I think I need your help after all." The team sprang into action. Timo climbed trees and hung the garlands high. Rufu arranged the flowers in beautiful patterns on the ground. Pia sang cheerful tunes and guided everyone with her bright ideas. Ellie used her strength to lift the heavy materials and set up the stage perfectly. As the sun began to set, the once messy clearing turned into a breathtaking sight. A stall decorated with colorful leaves, shining fruits, and banner that read, "Together we shine." When King Leo arrived, his golden mane glowed in the sunset. My, he said with pride. "What a wonderful creation. Tell me, who made this?" Ellie stepped forward and said humbly, "We all did, Your Majesty, as a team." King Leo smiled. "That's the true spirit of Harmony Day. Strength lies not in one, but in all." That night, the entire jungle came alive with laughter, dance, and music. When the results were announced, Ellie's team won the Golden Leaf Trophy. The crowd cheered as Ellie trumpeted happily, "Not I, but we did it." After the celebration, Ellie looked up at the stars and whispered, "Working together feels even better than winning alone." From that day on, whenever somebody needed help, Ellie was the first to say, "Let's do it together." And whenever a problem felt too big, She remembered Jungle Harmony Day and smiled because she now knew that a team could move a forest even if one elephant could only move a tree. Remember, teamwork makes us stronger. When we work together, we achieve far more than we ever could alone. True success is never about I, it's always about we. Thank you.